Hi, good evening. Is a question or do you heard about the positions open with our company Earth? Well, we and heard about in the opportunity of challenging occasions and move it from physical location and order and talk about making and car movies a wall was starting with my interest and passions, and I love it brings outside. I love it doing outdoor activities, and I love you working with people. When I was looking online, I found this website and that there were positions about in this site. Also, I told I will apply. Thank you.